Hey, I'm Jordan Alexander and I am a musician and actor. I got into the audition for Gossip Girl because I had been talking with Emily Allen Lind, who plays Audrey on Gossip Girl, but at the time she was just in like the final stages of her audition. And we were at a premiere of a show that we did in 2019 called Sacred Lies. And she was like, you should audition for this would be so fun. Like we just run around New York and have a good time. And I was like, oh, okay. So I definitely watched Gossip Girl when I was growing up. In particular, my sisters really liked it, and so I was along for the ride with that. But I completely binged the whole series when I got to New York because I had to quarantine by myself in my apartment, and so it was the perfect time to just absorb all of that and just be so excited and like, yeah, it was really cool. Am I team Serena or team Blair? I'm team their friendship and rivalry. I feel like you cannot have one without the other. Yeah, the casting of the Gossip Girl reboot is definitely a lot more diverse. I think that that's great. I was the second to last person to get cast. It was me and then Evan Mock. So I was really impressed by how they kind of stepped out of what they had done before, you know, kind of like learning what may have been I guess it is a mistake, but at the time that's just what was normal. Like nobody was like, oh, this entire cast is white. People weren't really thinking about that or even noticing that because I mean, I watched that show and that was not something I thought. I was like, oh, these are pretty beautiful people in New York City. I wasn't like, this is a weird homogenized group that is not representative of the people who live in New York City. And so also I feel like it just makes sense. I feel like it would be very strange and not accurate to have it be like that anymore. So I get my fashion inspiration. I mean, it's kind of funny because I'm kind of more new to actually putting together like nice outfits. Like before, my vibe with fashion was like, what can be the most clashing and strange thing that I can find and wear all together at once? And then I started to have this evolution, which is in large part to my little sister, Chloe. She was like, get rid of that blue mohawk, stop wearing 27 patterns in one outfit. I mean, I still definitely contain parts of that, but I feel like I've just kind of like evolved in terms of like how I'm connecting to clothes. I have a lot of fun with my fashion. I mostly just try to do whatever's gonna make me feel good, as well as try to kind of like push the boundaries, you know, if I wanna wear lots of colors or if I wanna mix things in a certain type of way, I like to express myself with that. So I definitely plan on releasing more original music. I have a project that I'm working on right now with one of my good friends. We are creating a project and I'm really excited about it because I feel like they have all of the technical know-how that I am perhaps missing. I like to make the music and I like to just like be in my room and like creating, but when it comes to like rollout and marketing and all that stuff, I'm a little bit like in the weeds, and they are supremely business minded, so I'm excited for what we're gonna create. Before the year ends, I'm working on taking care of myself and getting lots of rest and preparing for what is to come, and then just like spending time with people I love. Thank you so much for HYPEBAE for having me. I'm really excited to be here and in the city that I love and working with such a wonderful team.